Good afternoon, parents, teachers, and other guests. Hi, my name is Kenyong Park. I've been living in Sydney for just over 2 years, and I'm very honored to receive such a prestigious award and that I have an opportunity to be sharing my thoughts and feelings about Harmony Day and my artwork. To be honest, I did not know much about Harmony Day until I came across this poster competition. However, after I started attending Starhouse Art and Music College, I had this great opportunity to learn about Harmony Day. My art teacher, Mr. Zhang, and my principal, Mrs. Choi, taught me about Harmony Day and suggested to create a poster on Harmony Day. My concept was to use a smartphone to show the idea of harmony. Everyone in today's world has a smartphone. We share information and become friends through the social network application. We use apps such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and my favorite Candy Crush Saga. We spend a lot of time on it every day. Unfortunately, there are many problems and issues going around the world, such as racism, bullying, disrespect among people, lack of empathy, and violence. As a result, I drew an app called Harmony. The concept is, when people use this application, it will help solve your problems and issues by suggesting ideas to solve your conflict, so that there's no bullying, violence, racism, and hopefully the world become a better place. Furthermore, this app was created to remind people about Harmony Day. Harmony Day is celebrated on the 21st of March. But it does not mean to celebrate our diversity and to be inclusive on that day only, because Harmony Day is every day. We must respect other cultures, religions, race, and be kind to everyone. Like at school, I don't just study hard and be nice to my teachers and friends only for one day and be naughty for the rest of the year. I'd like to thank my family and Starhouse Art and Music College. In addition, the Harmony Day organizers, I certainly believe that Harmony Day gives everyone an opportunity to learn about the value and importance of diversity. Remember to keep in touch with Harmony. Thank you.